You are watching today method of sampling method. It should be in front of your screen, and I had written in Hindi also some meanings. If you are facing any doubt what is written in English, same thing it should be written in Hindi also for few students who can't able to understood what is the meaning of these all. Yesterday we had discussed about these all topics, and first method we had discussed already, that one is a census method. आपको इसके पहले जो वीडियो भेजा गया था उसमें सेंसस मेथड बताया गया था जिसे जनगणना कहा जाता है, और ये है मेथड ऑफ सैम्पलिंग जिसे नमूना या प्रतिरूप कहा जाता है। ठीक है, ये मेथड हमारे लिए भी बहुत आवश्यक है और पहला भी जो जनगणना का माध्यम है। आपको ये बताया जाएगा मेथड ऑफ सैम्पलिंग्स आर द वेरियस मेथड्स ऑफ सैम्पलिंग इज गिवन इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू। आप इसे टेबल के माध्यम से देख सकते हैं जिसमें आपको अनेक प्रकार के सैंपल्स ऑफ सैम्पलिंग मेथड दिया गया है। इसमें पहले लिखा गया है टाइप ऑफ सैम्पलिंग। ओके, 2 types of sampling is represented in front of you. First one is a probability sampling method and second one is a non-probability sampling method. But according to that, in probability sampling method there is a 2 topics, means 2 subheadings are given: unrestricted random sampling and second one restricted random sampling. In random sampling there is a 3 subtopics once again. First one is a stratified sampling, second one is a systematic sampling, and third one is a cluster sampling. Same according to that we have to discuss in the second one, non-probability sampling method. First one purposive sampling, second quota sampling, third one comprehensive sampling. We can say consensus sampling also. According to that, these are the types of sampling. But before starting this topic we have to discuss about this one, probability sampling method. First one means कोई चीज़ें हमें संभावित होती हैं, संभावनाओं के अनुसार अगर हम कार्यों को करते हैं तो उसे प्रोबेबिलिटी सैम्पलिंग मेथड कहा जाता है। सो वी आर डिस्कसिंग अबाउट द प्रोबेबिलिटी सैम्पलिंग मेथड। फर्स्ट वन इज ए देयर आर द मेथड्स इन विच एवरी आइटम्स इन यूनिवर्सेस हैव ए प्रोबेबिलिटी नोन changes to being selected as a sample. These methods are further subdivided as unrestricted and restricted random sampling. Once again listen, these are the methods in which every items in the universe had a probability known changes to being selected as a sample. These methods are further subdivided as unrestricted and restricted random sampling. We can say first one is a unrestricted and sample random sampling are 2 types. First one is a lottery method and second one is a table of random number. With the help of that we have to discuss about unrestricted or sample random method. So in front of you there is a written meaning. So now we are going to discuss meaning. Method in which each and every items of the universe has an equal changes of being elected in the sample is called unrestricted or sample random sampling. It is sacrificing method of sample selected and not the happiest selection of item. We can say first one is a lottery method and second one is a given in front of you table random method or numbers. According to that, we have to discuss these all things. In front of you, first is the lottery method. Under lottery method, sheets or paper. Under lottery method, chits or paper slips are made for each item in the population. Then the chits and shuffled in the containers and without any machines. Some slips are drawn out. The chits were become the sample of the universes. This method is very commonly used in lottery draws from allotment of plots, houses or selection of students for pre-primary classes. And second one is given in front of you, table of random numbers. Random numbers tables has been generated to guarantee equal possibility of selection of every individual units in the population. These are available either in the published form or can be generated in the calculator can computes. You can start using the table from anywhere, from any pages, column, row or points. For example, the investigator need to select a sample of 30 household out of 300 total household. Hence the largest serial number is 300. With the help of that we have to take slips. What will get inside, according to that we can say this is the table of random number. These are the things. According to that we can able to calculate. And now we have to discuss merit of this table random number. So first merit is given in front of you, free from bias. Second one, equality. And third, representation of the population, means representation of the population. And fourth was is a sample. This is the merit of standard table of random number. And what is the demerit? Demerit is a no proportional responsibility and response should be there. Second, ignorance important item. These are the demerit of this standard table of random number. But according to that, restricted random number sampling we have to know, and restricted random number we have to discuss with the help of that. Here first one is given in front of you. Okay, in the B column you are getting same thing we are discussing with the help of that topic. See, sample random sampling method is a suitable when items are unwavering or homogeneous. In the case where different items of the universe are heterogeneous, samples are selected under some restriction. The method used under restricted random samples are, first one, stratified sampling, and second one, systematic sampling, and third one is a cluster sampling is given in front of you. Okay, now with the help of that we have to discuss second one,